Hello, good morning and welcome to the AM News with me, Mapito CBD. Now in our first story, President Akufo-Addo has banned weddings, concerts and parties until further notice. In his 23rd address to the nation on measures government is taking to curb the spread of the novel coronavirus, he said funerals should have private burials with not more than 25 people. He said the situation in the country is getting dire as the daily infection has moved from 200 to 700 cases.
Restrictions on our daily routines helped in reducing the prevalence of the pandemic in the country. And government has been left with no option but to reintroduce some of these restrictions in order to help save the situation. I know these measures in the recent past were unpleasant, but over a period they resulted in a favorable situation for the country. We have to return to them. So, fellow Ghanaians, until further notice, funerals, weddings, concerts, theatrical performances and parties are banned. Private burials with no more than 25 people can take place with the enforcement of the social distancing, hygiene and mask-wearing protocols. Beaches, nightclubs, cinemas and pubs continue to be shut. Our borders by land and sea remain closed. All workplaces, public and private, must employ a shift system for workers, in addition to the use of virtual platforms for business or work. Conferences and workshops can take place with all the appropriate protocols. However, I encourage the use of virtual platforms for such engagements. Restaurants should provide takeaway services and should, as much as possible, avoid seated services. The National Sports Authority and the Ghana Football Association should ensure compliance with the 25% capacity rule in our stadia, with spectators respecting the social distancing rule and wearing of masks.